Today we learn how to upgrade Razer laptop RAM and SSD with simple tools at home in just 5 minutes. You need some simple tools to upgrade this laptop. First, remove the bottom backer screws for open bottom cover. After removing the screws, now open bottom cover with simple tools. Remove battery connector for safety. Now install upgradable RAM. After installing the RAM, now you upgrade M2 card. First remove old one card. Remove old one M2 card caddy with screwdriver and install new card. Install new one card properly and then also fix its caddy with screws properly. When you finish installation of RAM and SSD card, then fix the battery connector properly and also close bottom cover. And now all is done. Fix the bottom cover properly and also fix the screws. If this video helped you to upgrade